Introduction to complete steel structure solutions. In a complete steel structure solution, sealing channel making machines and metal stamping machines are indispensable. Many building codes and standards require the use of connectors to ensure installation quality and building safety. Functions of metal stamping machine. The metal stamping machine is a key piece of equipment for producing connectors. It not only flexibly adjusts production parameters according to project needs but also manufactures high-quality connectors of various specifications and shapes. These connectors play a crucial role in the entire steel structure system. Case of the use of sealing channel making machine and metal stamping machine. 1. Stud and track machine and metal stamping machine. In the installation of partition wall systems, the studs and tracks produced by the stud and track machine form the foundation of the overall structure. Different types of stamped metal connectors used in drywall stud and track. Nogging brackets. These are high-strength brackets, typically fixed to the flanges of the studs. Silk connector. This connector is responsible for tightly connecting the vertical studs to the horizontal tracks, providing the necessary structural support. Strong arm wall brace. This accessory is specifically designed for standalone stud walls and commercial applications, providing additional reinforcement. False sealing channel machine and metal stamping machine. Metal connectors are frequently used in suspended sealing systems, connecting different false sealing channel and playing a crucial role in the overall system. King reel metal stamping machine and false sealing channel machine can form a complete solution. These false sealing channels are mainly produced by various types of false sealing channel machines, including Omega channel machine, U-channel making machine, drywall wall angle profile machine. Different types of stamped metal connectors used in false sealing channel. Standard insert. As an installation material made of high-strength galvanized steel sheet, special insert is used to connect sealing C-profiles, effectively improving the structural stability of the ceiling. Prime hanger tongs. This high-strength hook design effectively secures the plasterboard, preventing it from shifting or falling off under load. If you are looking for efficient and convenient steel structure solutions, Kingreel offers advanced sealing channel making machines and metal stamping machines designed to help you achieve your goals. Contact Kingreel today to learn more about our sealing channel making machines and metal stamping machines.